But can y'all sleep in y'all makeup? And then the next day you still wear it? We ain't got no power, girl. We ain't got no power.
I don't know why you act like you need your strength. You wanna take
I was like, oh, Lord Jesus.
Take me, pull me up like I know the lie. I get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Comes down better, better. Thinking I lose my mind, lose my mind 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, tell me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's
Hey, y'all.
me die. You might break my heart tonight.
Y'all already know what I'm about to do. It is Monday and it's 1 o'clock. Yes, ma'am. I'm about to pour me a little mojito. We just got back from taking mama to the airport. And I feel like a drink. I miss my mama. But yeah, her plane boards at 2 o'clock. So we took her, as we was driving back, probably like 5 minutes, when we dropped her off. After we dropped her off, she said she was already at her terminal, child, so, or her gate or whatever. So I'm off for the day. I feel like pouring me a little drink. Me and Joey can watch a little movie. And that's what we're about to do. Chill out. We tend to do that a lot. But anyways, y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please click that like button, subscribe, comment, and share. And join the family, okay? And welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. Girl, this is so good. It's very refreshing. Ooh, if I had like a little mint or something, that would be good too. But I get this from the QT. I think you get it anywhere, like at a liquor store or Walmart, all those places. And it has 13.9% alcohol. Yep, I'm gonna go to sleep real good because I'm already asleep. I just want to take a good old nap. It's very rare when I take naps, but I feel like taking one today. Oof. And it's only $10. Y'all go get y'all one and tell me what y'all think about it. But yeah, I'm about to start a load of clothes. I need to wash my scrubs. I need to fold some clothes. When Joey gets out the shower, I guess we can start like a little movie, but I'm about to fold the clothes that I threw on my bed, child. Oh girl, I just put this hair on any kind of way. But Joey cooked us a big breakfast this morning. Potatoes, cheese eggs with green chili, bacon, toast, the usual. So my mama said that was gonna last her all day. She doesn't eat that much, cause I don't know if y'all seen her. I didn't really put it on camera, but she's so small. And I'm like, where I get all this goodness from? Cause this show ain't you. She has a shape, but she just so small. She weighs like 130, and she's 5'7", 5'8".
It's hurting me, disturbing me. Thought it was a warning, looking for clues to see the truth, but it was just deceiving. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to follow me around you.
Child, y'all, I think I found a new way to do my makeup. Like for work, I realized that, y'all know, when I get up and do my makeup and when I get ready to go to work, I like to be cute. I like to have full face of makeup. Not full face, but y'all know my full face is like using 2 concealers, filling in my eyebrows and putting the concealer under there, using the little Black Radiance brown eyeshadow or whatever that is to what you call it, not carve your face, what is it, sculpt your contour. I like to put the brown stuff right here, and then right here, and then right here, and then using my Fit Me powder and my Black Radiance powder. I use 2 Black Radiant, no, I use the Fit Me powder and the Black Radiance powder. Then I use Black Radiance concealer plus the LA Pro concealer, which is the lighter kind. And then I use the contour palette, mascara, and I fill in my eyebrows. That's what I do for everyday makeup for work. But now I realize that I don't have to do all of that. I like to be cute. I like to be put together when I go to work. I don't like to be looking crazy. But I realized only using 1 concealer, I don't have to even you know, contour or whatever, or put the concealer under my eyes. I can just fill my eyebrows in with a pencil, use 1 concealer and 1 powder, and that'll do it for the work week. I don't know why I get so made up during the work week, and it takes so much longer. And I realized, because Sunday my face was just like this. I didn't use but concealer, and I just filled in my eyebrows, and I used my mascara, that mascara that I bought from Ulta, the L'Oreal kind. I'm in love with that. I am so in love. I don't know if y'all can tell. Girl, look how, I didn't do it that much today, but look how thick my eyelashes are. Y'all can't tell. But that mascara is amazing. But I was like, you know what? Because it didn't even take me that long to get dressed Sunday morning when I had to go to work. I only used 1 concealer, 1 powder, mascara, and I filled in my brows. I was like, you know what? I might have to start doing that, because the way I was doing it was so time consuming. I don't need to do all that. And it comes out like, I have the filter on now, but it comes out so good. I'm like, you know what? I probably rushed it a little bit today, but I think I'm gonna just start doing that for the work week, and just wear like my makeup on the weekends if we go somewhere. You know, I don't know why I feel like I have to. That's just me. I've always been taught to look put together, you know, going in the public or when somebody see you. But I like to look pretty going to work. I do. But I really don't need all that makeup going to work when I wear my scrubs every day and I'm just sitting in the office. So this makeup will suffice, you know. So I think I'm just gonna start doing that. if y'all see my eyelash, I'm so impressed with that mascara, y'all. That mascara was $15. I'm gonna think about spending another $15 on it, but it's just so good for my no lashes. I have very short, thin looking lashes, but I put that on and I'm like, oh, wow. It's good though. It's really good. It's the L'Oreal brand. I really and truly like it. But yeah, y'all, I was just getting on camera to tell y'all that I found a new way of doing my makeup, and I'm gonna, you know, do it for the work week. I know there's a lot of people that don't wear makeup, and I wish I could be one of those people. I'm not. If I didn't have dark circles under my eyes, I wouldn't worry about makeup on a daily, but I like to put on makeup and I like to feel cute. I can't go out the house without makeup, put it that way. Well, I can't go to work without makeup. I got dark circles under my eyes and bags. I got 2 struggles. Should have just gave me one. I would have been fine with it, but I got 2. And makeup just make me feel pretty. I know I can feel pretty without the makeup, but I don't. I truly don't. But this Sunday when I woke up, what time I made it to work at 6:45, and I think I woke up at 5. I had to take a shower and do all of that, find me something to wear, but my makeup did not take that long. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that, just using 1 concealer, mascara, 1 powder, and filling my brows, and that's it.
Like internet panhandling. Y'all hit my Cash App, honey, for me pushing through and giving y'all these funny ass shows these last couple of days. So I ain't got an identity theft, y'all, because I got y'all credit card numbers from Miss.
Hey y'all.
Baby, I got 260 some of y'all credit card.
Ooh, child. It's been one heck of a morning, you hear me? It is. Today is Tuesday. Get it right, Chris. You didn't go to work yesterday. Today is Tuesday. And around 4:30, well, that's when I woke up and realized the fan went on. You know when that fan go off, you know like something is wrong. It was like 4:30 and all the lights in the house were off. Everything was off. And when I tell you the wind, girl, I thought it was about to be a tornado. I heard the tornado alarm and everything, but the wind was blowing so hard, like so freaking hard. You can hear it going, ooh, it was blowing so hard. I don't know how many miles per hour, but it was blowing so hard. And y'all know I get up at 5:50. So Joey had to stop working because, of course, you know, the internet and all that stuff. So he came back to bed. And we talked for a minute or two, and then we both went back to sleep. Kiana even came in there for a little while, but she ended up going back in her room. But the light stayed off till 6 o'clock. Because I finally went back to sleep, and I heard Joey snoring, so he done went back to sleep. So around, yeah, it was 5:57 when it came back on. So, girl, I don't know. It was raining hard, and the wind was just blowing really, really hard. They said we were going to have thunderstorms, but I didn't realize it was going to be like this. But luckily, you know, the power and stuff came on around 5:57, 6 o'clock. I ain't going to be late for work. I'm actually just now leaving the house and stuff. So, yeah. I just knew I was going to be able to stay in the bed today, you know, go to work kind of late. But when I fell back asleep, I was like, ooh, I was sleeping so good. I was like, the lights ain't going to be on no time soon, so let me just go on, fall on back to sleep. Let me see if she can get through here. She probably can't. Because I did block the driveway, my bad. At least she said thank you and waved. That's the good thing about it. You let people in, you know, you bag up to let them through, and they don't wave or speak or do nothing. But she waved and she said thank you. But anyways, y'all, yesterday I had like 3 or 4 of those mojitos. When I tell you, I I was almost in there, but I was like, I can't go to sleep right now because we had made hamburgers and fries, and I wanted to wait till Kiana came back from she's in flag football. She had practice yesterday. So I was like, Lord, I'm trying to stay up. Me and Joey started watching a series. Before that, I ended up folding clothes. Go. Okay, well, you don't want to go. I folded the clothes. I washed our sheets. I washed Kiana's sheets and the guest room sheets. Made up Kiana's bed. What else did I do? That was it. Then we started watching this series on Apple TV. I forgot the name of it. It's about mathematicians. But it got action. Yeah, you would think it would be boring by the first episode. You'd be like, what the hell is this? So towards like the end of the episode, the first episode, you get where it's trying to go. I forgot the name of the show. It's dealing with math. Girl, what's the name of the show? It's on Apple TV. I just put it across the screen if I remember. Yeah. But that mojito, girl, I had, like I said, 3 or 4 glasses. I was rubbing my eyes. I was wanting to go to sleep. Makeup was halfway on, halfway off. You know what? Let me ask y'all. How do people do that? Some people sleep in their makeup and then wake up the next day and it looks just the same. Or I've seen, I think it was a YouTuber or somebody where they went and got their makeup done late that evening or something like that, and they slept in their makeup, and then the makeup still stay on their face. How in the hell do y'all do that? Because girl, I'm a face sleeper. I'm like this, and I'm constantly rubbing my eyes. Child, one eyebrow would be off in the morning if I were to sleep in my makeup, and then I don't feel comfortable when I sleep in my makeup because I'm constantly thinking about, ooh, it's gonna be on my pillow. I'm gonna wash my sheets again. I don't understand how people do that. How do y'all sleep in makeup and then the next day y'all still wear it? I can't do. There were like 2 or 3 YouTubers that I seen do that, and I'm like, how? I can't sleep pretty. I cannot. And you know how when you get your hair done and you want to sleep all pretty, I can't do that. Especially when it comes to makeup. I don't understand how people do that. How do they sleep in the makeup, girl? I always wonder that because I forgot who I was watching, but I know she was like, she went and got her makeup done for some whatever it was she had to do the next day, and she slept in her makeup, and I guess she just had to powder her nose a little bit the next morning, and it was done. I need to wash my face when I get up in the morning. You know, I can't. If I could, I would, but I can't, girl. My makeup would be so blotchy and look I would have to wash the whole thing off and start all over again. Who was that? I can't even remember who it was. But can y'all sleep in y'all makeup? And then the next day you still wear it? What if you do a little slobbing or something, you know, and it... Child, I couldn't do it. I'll tell you that right now. I did it a couple of times, and the next morning, eyebrows was gone, mascara is all up under here, because like I said, I rubbed my eyes throughout the night. How did we get on this subject? I don't know, but girl, I can't do that. I can't do it. I feel like I look real crazy with same day makeup on for the next day. Yeah. But anyway, girl, the light is out. Oh Lord. I hope it's not like this all over. But anyways, I brought me some breakfast that Joey Well, it's the leftovers from yesterday. I was gonna keep them because he made like hash browns with sausage in it. He made eggs with green chili and cheese in it. And we had bacon from last night when we made cheeseburgers and fries. I actually had me a hamburger. I had a cheeseburger bowl. I didn't have no bread. And we put the fries in the oven. But yeah, I brought me some, and it was actually pretty good too without the bread. You just, you gonna go or no? Okay, well I'm going. You put everything that you would put on a hamburger on the plate and just chop it up a little bit like you wanted. And it was actually pretty good. Girl, focus. But yeah, it was actually pretty good. So I had that, and then like I said, I brought leftover breakfast this morning. I'm gonna eat that. Yeah, the bowl is still warm. Girl, I am pissed. I was telling y'all how our power was off this morning. You know, it came back on around 6 o'clock. Joey text me saying the power's been going off and on all day. So when he said that, I was thinking that it was on. Girl, around 2:30, he come text me, the power was still out. 4:30, when I'm headed out, the power is still out. So we ain't got no power. None. Luckily, it's not hot. The wind is really winding like crazy. This morning they were saying it was like 75 to 80 miles per hour winds. And right now it's just been winding all day. Like all day. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but girl, I don't like it. Especially not having power. I thank God that it's not hot. Oh, I thank God it's not. Don't you come. Oh. I thank God it's not hot. My car is reading 62. But with the winds, I feel like it's like in the 50s. It feels like it's in the 50s. I just knew I was going to go home and relax or whatever. Well, I ain't got no choice but to relax now. I ain't got no power. We can eat and go to bed. Joey ordered Marco's Pizza. I don't know what all he got from Marco's Pizza, but it's pizza, but I don't know if he got wings or if he got, I don't know what all he ordered, but I'm just going to go and pick it up. It was like, babe, don't forget to park either in the front of the yard, in front of the house, or in the driveway, because of course the garage ain't opening. And he can open it manually, but he was like, yeah, just park in front of the house and he'll take care of it when he get back to the house. Girl. And then the wind was winding, so today I came to my car for lunch. Well, yeah, just to come sit outside in the car. Girl, I had my hand on the handle on the door, you know, because like I said, the wind was winding. Tell me why the wind came through and just took the door handle from my hand and swung right on open to another person's car. And it hit it hard too, because that's how strong the winds were. I was like, oh, Lord Jesus. It wasn't nobody in the car. If it was, I would have stayed and handled my business. But it wasn't nobody in the car, so I pulled off. Went to the store, and I did not park by that person again. I didn't even wait to see if it was a mark, but it hit it hard. It wasn't my fault. It was the wind's fault. That, I'm telling y'all, it wasn't my fault. Lord forgive me, but hopefully, yeah, it was the passenger side door. So hopefully, she didn't pay too much to the passenger side, or he didn't pay too much to the passenger side, child, because yeah. I hate when you got no power. I just thought about all that meat we have, and girl, we got a lot of meat. Oh my God, we got a lot of meat. In the freezer part of the refrigerator, and also our little standalone freezer. Girl, I just thought about that. Oh my God. Cause y'all know Joey coupons, so he got 3 and 4 packs of everything. Lord Jesus. I just thought about it. I was like, we're gonna be cool. It's not hot. I wasn't even worried about the food. And I mean, I know we can always, buy some more, but that's a lot of meat. And the bacon, we got like 6 packs of bacon in the freezer. That good Tom Thumb bacon. Oh my God. Lord Jesus. It can be worse. It can be worse. We can be sitting in a hot ass house. I know. Because if it was hot, I would be so uncomfortable. So uncomfortable. And if it was like cold, I can layer up and I can sleep in the cold. But when it's hot, But I ain't complaining, Lord. I promise you, I ain't complaining. I'm just venting right now, okay? I even text the folks. They were like, they don't even know when the power gonna be back on. So yeah. Down the street from my job, I seen the I think they was the Encore people trying to fix the light or whatever, the lights or whatever, the power. But they need to be in my area. I'm praying that they in my area as I'm driving home. There's some more. But this ain't the area y'all need to be working at. Y'all need to be at my house. Close to my house. Lord. I guess all I can do is take a shower and go to bed, eat my pizza and go to sleep, or watch my phone. Girl, I am starving. Girl, I'm starving. All I had for lunch today was some chips and a little cheese cube and an Alani Nu, and that's it. I need to eat right now. Get these paper plates. Oh, girl. We ain't got no power, girl. We ain't got no power. Child. I gotta eat. I can't wait on nobody today. I need to feed my body. Pizza looks so good. Girl. The power is on. But for how long? I'm scared. I'm texting Joey. Okay, you're not. Oh, there you go. I'm scared. Scared. Okay. He probably gonna have to hit the switch on this, because this one, the coffee thingy, It's not on. Can I? No. Okay, that one's on. Let me see. Is this on? Okay, that's on. I normally have to reset my bathroom. Okay, that ain't on. With Kiana's. In Kiana's bathroom. She has a reset button. In her bathroom. Okay. Make sure it's back on. That fan on though. Okay, it's back on. Alright, girl. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I get all what I need to do done. Cause I don't want no shit. We'll talk to y'all in a minute.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, I think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it.
Until we got the ham in the roaster, and it smells so freaking good. Let me see how it looks. Okay, what is, okay. Anyways, turn on some light in here, girl. It is, what's today? It's Wednesday, y'all. It's Wednesday, but I just wanted to jump on camera to show y'all what I got. I got the metabolism pills from the company O Positive. Y'all know the other pills I got are the Euro pills. You know, it helps with pH balance and all that from the same company. And I got this morning at 5 o'clock. When you order these, well, when I order them, they always come the same day. Well, they give me an option for it to come from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. or from, I think, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. I don't know, but these are the metabolism pills. They support healthy metabolism, enhanced calorie burn, healthy weight management, blood sugar balance. Y'all know I was talking about this in a few vlogs back where I seen a lot of TikTok people taking these. They said it curbs your appetite and everything. So I said I was going to take them and see how they work for me. Of course, I got to incorporate walking and all that, but I've been like constantly eating lately, being that I've been off my vitamins, the vitamins that I got from TikTok shop, and also I've been off the phentermine. So it's like I've still been calorie counting, but I've been hungry lately. So hopefully these work. I took 2 this morning, and I don't want to say they worked. I don't think they work immediately, but I felt like they did when well, you know what? I had Cheez-Its this morning. That's probably why I wasn't hungry until probably it was time for me to eat lunch. Because normally I would be hungry, you know, before lunch or whatever, but I forgot I had the Cheez-It. So I don't know if these work just yet. I just took 2. You take 2 daily. I took mine together. I don't know if you take them separately, but I took mine together. So we're going to give these a couple of weeks. It's only 60 tablets. These are expensive. These are $28 for 60 tablets. These are expensive to me. And I think TikTok Shop was selling them for, at first I seen 18, and then I seen another one that's 23. I don't know if the sale's still going on, but I wanted to get mine like, you know, immediately, so I didn't order from TikTok Shop. I'll still put these in my showcase, but I got mine from Amazon. So we're gonna see how they work, girl. We're gonna see. We is gonna see. Yeah. And then I also got a free sample. Y'all know when I get samples, I be excited. I actually just wanted to see, could I get a sample? But I've been seeing this little product all over TikTok too. And it's the Go Pure Sculpt and Tone Arm Cream. 7% Pro-Type, Firming Complex, and Ashwagandha Root Extract. It's cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist recommended. So this would, you will put it on your arm for the loose skin, and it will firm your arm. That's what it say. I don't know how true it is, but that's what it say. I didn't realize I was gonna get a free sample, and they accepted my free sample. So I was like, oh, okay, well, you know. And it says it sculpts the look of loose, crepey skin and arm yourself with confidence. This cooling arm cream visibly firms, tightens, and smooths skins for long-term results. We're gonna see, y'all. Massage into the upper arm area using circular motions until fully absorbed. For best results, use twice a day. Now, I've seen some before and afters, and I didn't see like where it firmed the skin, but I see where but I seen where the wrinkles on the skin on the arm kind of disappeared. I don't know, but it's free, so yeah, I guess I'll use this tonight or whatever, and in the morning and all that stuff. So yeah, this is the Go Pure. It will be in my not Amazon store. It will be in my showcase. This will be in my Amazon store and my TikTok showcase, but I'll put that in the description box if y'all want it. But I will let y'all know how these work. $28 for metabolism capsules. I thought I heard somebody outside. I guess it's my neighbors. Yeah, it gotta be my neighbors. But anyways, yeah. But like I said, I just made it home. I feel like I always have to clean up or straighten up something. So yesterday I wiped the counters down and I rinsed the dishes out and put them on one side. But I didn't wash them, so I think I'm gonna do that. Y'all know the lights came on. Girl, when those lights came on, I cleaned the bathroom and I wiped down the kitchen a little bit. Girl got in the shower and got in the bed before 7 o'clock and was asleep. I want to say I went to sleep around 7:30. I don't know. It was something going on where I was just so freaking sleepy. And I don't know why. I was just... Joey was sitting here watching TV. And that was around 6:30ish. And I was like, babe, I'm about to go to bed. I'm about to get in bed and rest my eyes for a minute. And I don't know what time he came in, but I was asleep. I don't know what was going on in the air, but I feel much better now, but yeah. But I'm about to, I guess I can put these dishes in, that's what I'm gonna do. Put these dishes in the dishwasher. And I need to sweep a little bit and that's it. Oh, and I forgot these clothes were hanging. They were hanging to dry. They right in my face. So I need to hang those clothes up. I feel like it's always something to do. But anyways, y'all, yeah, I was just coming on to speak. And, oh, I need to do some editing too. Yeah, Okay, let me get, what time is it? I forgot, we haven't even set our clocks back. It's 5:20. I didn't wipe off that Keurig. I guess when Joey was cooking, it looks like it's just a little greasy. But anyways, y'all, let me get my stuff together so I can sit down, relax, and edit and eat. Okay. Hey y'all. Girl, this vlog gonna be just me at home and in the car and at work. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of boring, y'all. My bad. I just haven't done anything, and I'm the type of person that I don't do nothing just for the vlog. Sometimes I don't, you know. Well, most of the times I don't. Most of the times I'm just, you know, filming what I do on a daily basis. Me coming home, me going to work, cleaning, you know, just life stuff. And I just don't do no extra, you know, like I need to go here and do, you know, get some content for the vlog, and I don't do, I mean, there are some people that do it, which is fine, that's how they do it, but I don't think I've gone anywhere for the vlog, you know. I probably need to start, you know, because I don't be doing shit. I don't be doing nothing. This is my regular life, child. I'm putting out what I give, you know, and that's me at the house, me at work, me in my car, me running errands, and that's it, y'all. That's all. But anyways, y'all, it is Thursday. I got me a matcha because I haven't had one since Mom was here. Well, I actually haven't had like a hot matcha. I was getting like the iced matcha. So I got me a little hot matcha today with sugar-free vanilla, 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and soy milk. That's what I get in my matcha. I took those metabolism pills this morning, and I don't know if it's working, but I'm not feeling hungry. I don't know if it's just my brain switching and say, hey, you ain't hungry, or if it's the pills. I don't know yet, but I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna give it another week or two or whatever, and we'll see if they're actually helping me, or if it's just my brain knows that I'm taking metabolism pills. So it's like, I don't know. I can't explain what I'm saying, but we're gonna give it like another week or so to see if it's actually working. My problem is with food, I think I've told y'all this, is like I don't even be hungry, but I'm always eating. I always want something in my mouth, if that makes sense. And it's crazy because it's always at work. I'm always, I guess because like I said, I'm sitting all day. And like yesterday, I wasn't even that hungry, but I went to administration. Y'all know they give out they have the free snacks and stuff, but they're like the mini ones, which is a good thing. But I went there twice yesterday to get sweets, and y'all know I'm not like a sweets person unless my period is on. But I love like the Laffy Taffies. What I had yesterday, I had like a good 4 or 5 Laffy Taffies, the strawberry ones. And then I had the little mini pack of fruit snacks, which was only like a good 5 or 6 in there. And then I had the little mini pack of gummy nerds, or what, cluster nerds, which was only 5 or 6 in there. But it was like, Christy, you ain't hungry, you just greedy, you just want something to eat because you're bored and you're sitting at work. And I need to find a way to not do that. I wish there was a way that my son would say, bitch, don't eat. So I'm practicing that today. I took the pills early this morning. I'm gonna have me a matcha just for breakfast. And I'm gonna try not to snack. And then for lunch, I'll have whatever they have in the cafeteria or make me a salad. I need to go by Walmart and get some salad stuff because I love my little salad. That little salad with them few ingredients in it was the bomb. So I need to go buy somewhere to get some salad stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to make myself not eat snack today. We gonna try. But anyways, it's a struggle. Y'all know weight loss is a struggle to keep it off, and yeah. But anyways, I put my little half wig on. I literally just threw this on this morning. It was a last minute thing, because normally I would prep my hair at night, but this morning I was like, you know what, let me give me some curls for today. It's not raining. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow though. But I was like, let me just give me some curls. My natural hair is kind of oily. But yeah, I put this thing on. Oh, my stomach kind of hurt now. I had the metabolism pills. Oof. And then I had the detox tea. Did I have the detox tea first? I don't know. Ooh, but my stomach, it's cramping a little bit. I think after this, I'm going to have to go to the bathroom. That's what it is. Okay. For the past 2 times they've been making, I don't know, my matcha hasn't been tasting really good. And I don't know what the deal was. It wasn't sweet enough. Normally when I get 4 pumps of vanilla, sugar-free vanilla, it will taste very good. But for the past 2 times, well, the hot kind, it hasn't been good. But this one is good. Okay, this one is good. So, but anyways, y'all, I was just picking up the camera to say good morning, happy Thursday. We got one more day till Friday. I don't know, today might be one of those, it may be a little busy day. I've gotten all my charts down, which is a good thing. I done got caught up. So yeah, today probably won't be as busy as it has been for me. I did bring my laptop, so whenever I get unbusy, I'm gonna be editing this little boring vlog. Excuse me, y'all, excuse me, but it's gonna be a little boring. But anyways, y'all, let me see how much time I got. Girl, I got here early and then stopped for much, and I got 20 minutes left. You see what wearing less makeup get you? You see? Girl, that cut some time in half for real with this. Yeah, I've been getting to work pretty early since I cut out all that extra makeup. You hear me? I mean, it don't take me long with the extra makeup, but this is taking less time than normal. This is good. Like I said, I normally have my concealer right here. I have like the light color concealer under here with a 2-pack. Girl. Okay, Kristen. All right. All right, y'all. We are on lunch. I just got my food from Chick-fil-A. Small macaroni, 8-count grilled nuggets, and buffalo sauce. I think that's less than 500 calories. And then I got me a diet key lime lemonade. I haven't tasted this before. Oh, that's pretty good. And it's only 60 calories. So, gosh, I hate this Chick-fil-A. Oh. You gonna park right here so I can't see. You helpful. Oh, child. This is a mess. This right here is a absolute mess. Oh my God. I ain't going that way. I'm gonna have to go this way. This is ridiculous. They need to do something about this parking. I mean, damn. All right. Today has been one of those days where I don't feel like talking. I'm just in a blah mood, and it feels like that with everybody in the office. Like nobody's mad at each other or anything, but we just don't want to talk. And you can tell, like, you can tell somebody's going through something. Somebody got to be going through something for, I don't know, it's just the mood of the office. I'm not taking offense to it or anything, because like I said, I'm in the same kind of mood. I don't want to talk to nobody. I don't even want to giggle. I mean, we let out a little giggle for a second, but you can tell that something's bothering people, or I don't know. And I don't want to pry. I don't want to say everything okay, because I don't want nobody to ask me that either, and I'd be obligated to tell them, you know. Well, not me. Y'all know I don't like people in my business anyways. I'll be like, I'm fine if somebody were to ask me, but you can tell by the reactions in the office, like everybody just want to be to themselves today, and they want to work, and they just want to get the hell up on out of there, you know. Yeah, it's just feeling like one of those days. Sometimes I just feel like I can do more than what I'm doing. Like with YouTube, I can do more. With my job, I know I can do more. I don't know. I just don't want to. I don't want to go further when it comes to like taking more college courses. I don't want to do that, because I don't have the patience for schooling at this age. Not at this age, but I just don't have the patience to sit there and take courses and, you know, and get another degree. I wish I had that mindset of, let me go after this so I can get to this next level in this job. But it's like, I don't want to do that. I like what's the word I'm looking for? I like the non-stressfulness of the job. But I do want to work from home. But I haven't put no stress on myself to actually go and, you know, start looking for jobs like I was before, when I was getting all those interviews, but only to be rejected. So it's like, I don't know, girl. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I think I'm just in one of those don't talk to me kind of moods, you know. I know everybody has one of those don't talk to me kind of moods. Everybody has that mood where you don't feel like you're doing enough, but you are. You know, I don't know, girl. Yeah, I just don't know. Maybe I'm just ready for the work week to be over with. Even though I only had 4 days here. Well, actually, I did have 5 because I did work on Sunday. But I don't know. I'm just really all over the place right now. Yeah. I don't know what I'm trying to say, girl. I'm just talking. What is going on here? Oh, these are these like the power people, the Encore people? I don't know what's going on, but what time? Oh, girl. Okay, it's 11:34. I think I clocked out at 11:13. So I need to be back in the office at 11:43. Yeah, okay, so I got enough time. I'm right down the street now. Oh, and y'all, with that peel, I told y'all I had my matcha, and then I had 3 of the little mini beef jerkies. Y'all know I got a snack. I be trying not to, but it just be calling me and calling me. And I had 3 of those little mini beef jerkies. And then now I'm eating, about to eat Chick-fil-A, which is like under 500 calories. So I'm doing good for today with my calorie count. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I was just getting on camera. Have y'all tried this lemonade? The fat-free kind is only 60 calories. Only 60 calories, so that's good. And it's good. I normally don't get no drinks from Chick-fil-A. But for some reason, lately, like I said earlier, I've been craving sweets. And my period ain't even on. So I don't know what it is. But I was like, I want something sweet, but I don't want nothing that has a lot of calories. Because I was looking on there and I seen they had like a vanilla. I love like a vanilla milkshake, just a plain, good old vanilla milkshake that's melted a little bit. And I love those, and I seen that they had them. I was like, ooh, that's 500 and some calories. I'm like, you know what? To curb the sweetness, just get you a lemonade. Get you a lemonade. 60 calories. So, yeah. Ooh, this road is, oh my God. Oh.